Stars above the desert glow, guiding us through night. Moonlight on the river's face, silver pure and bright. Drums call softly from afar, leading spirits home. Under the anxious sky
We sing,
under the anxious sky,
we dance,
under the anxious sky.
we live hard.
Flute's breath tells the ancient tales, whispered on the breeze.
Beer hums of harvest moons and roots of mighty trees.
Our hearts beat with the earth below, strong and free. Under the anxious sky,
We sing,
under the anxious sky,
we dance,
under the anxious sky.
we live forever.
Voices weave with fire's glow, harmony so deep. Ancestral hands upon our shoulders, promises they keep. In their songs our souls find rest. Under the anxious sky,
We sing,
under the anxious sky,
we dance,
under the anxious sky.
we live forever.
Under the anxious sky.